Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use video chat in GPT-4o. So what you want to do if you're on your iPhone or Android, you want to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and basically want to type in GPT and click on the first one that says ChatGPT. Now, you want to make sure that you don't download the wrong app. You need to download this one. This one is by OpenAI, and you want to use that one. All these other apps are just a copy of the original one, so make sure you download the original one. Then basically you just want to tap on open once it has downloaded. If you want to open it on your PC, just type in gpt.com and it's going to take you to this page. You just log in, sign up and start chatting. So if you want to use the new feature, it's not like it's been said, but some people got it, some people didn't get it at the time of this recording. But what you can do is if you're on the main screen and you type on get plus, it tells you that you will have access to ChatGPT-4, ChatGPT-4 Omni and 3.5. So basically you can't at the moment at least use it for free. OpenAI didn't announce it will be free, at least as we know of. The only way to get it at the moment is to get the paid version that costs around 23 euros a month. And once you get it, you will have access to GPT-4o. And once you do have access, on the bottom right, you see the headphone thingy. You want to tap on that. It's going to connect it with this AI feature thingy. And somewhere on the screen, you will have an option to turn on your camera and have that audio, video type of style conversation. And then the options are the same. If you click on the play, you can speak to it, the AI respond back. If you want to exit, just click on the X mark. And that's pretty much it. After you have done, it's going to tell you how many seconds you've been chatting with it. And that's it. So long story short, you can get it for free at the moment. Maybe in the future they will make it free. But all I can see from now is that you have to pay to get access to it. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you see having some issues, let me know what's the problem in the comments down below. And I'll do my best to help you out. And if you're using Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month if you use the link in my description.